Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Microsoft Authenticator from email. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you need to type login.live.com. Once I've done that, you will be landed on your account of Microsoft, but instead of your Microsoft account, you may be asked to first sign in into your account. So you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now over here, you need to navigate to the left hand section and then you need to click on security. In the security, you are going to see 4 different options, but among these, you need to click on advanced security options. Over here, you will be able to see that you have enabled password for your account as well as you have connected your email address. Now over here, if you click on the email address option, then you can remove your email address from your Microsoft account. But as we want to remove our Microsoft Authenticator from email address, you need to select this third option which says send sign in notifications. Now over here you need to click on this remove button and this type of pop-up will appear in front of you which will ask you that are you sure you want to remove the Microsoft Authenticator app. So over here you need to tap on remove and this way your email address will be removed from Microsoft Authenticator. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.